This video has been inspired by one of my viewers who, through the comment section of one of my videos, asked me to teach them how to record their screen. And since I got you, I'm here doing this. Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Modesta and thanks for stopping by to watch this video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can screen record or record your screen on an Android phone. Stay tuned and watch up to the end because I'll be sharing 3 ways in which you can do this, and I'll be telling you which one I use. I'm really grateful for your feedback and for you watching my videos, and for your comments. Feel so appreciated for commenting and watching my videos. I will also encourage you to keep asking me questions on the videos you want me to record, anything you want me to teach you about, anything that deals with creating and growing your YouTube channel here. Just ask me and I'll be free to do this. Before we go to the screen record, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also, turn on the post notification button so that you may get notified whenever I post a video. So I'll be taking you through 3 ways in which you can record your screen on an Android phone. The first one is by using an inbuilt screen recorder, which I have been using all along, and I know that not all phones offer a screen recorder or an inbuilt screen recorder, but worry less, we are going to look at another option if your phone does not have a screen recorder. So I'll just go ahead and show you where my screen recorder is located. When I swipe downwards, I'm going to have it here. So it's telling me that my microphone is being used. Of course, I am using my microphone, that's why you can hear me. Therefore, whatever I'm recording using this record, using my inbuilt screen recorder, will be muted. You see, another app is occupying microphone. Subsequent recording will be muted. Please make sure microphone is not occupied by other apps if you want to keep recording this sound with sound. So let me just end it, but this is what it displays on the screen when I begin to record. It usually has this button that I use to control, and as you can see, it's counting. So I'll just say okay. Basically, when you long press on the inbuilt screen recorder, it's going to give you the settings, and you can adjust them according to your preference. Like I love to say, record device sound. You can choose whether you want to record the device sound or not. Record microphone sound, that you can turn it on or not. You can also edit the picture quality. You can also show the taps. The taps is by when you turn it on, it's going to give you that cursor that will be showing the direction of where you are touching on your screen. And of course, do not disturb block banner notification during screen recording. And if your phone does not have an inbuilt screen recorder, then you need not to worry, because you can download a screen recorder from your Play Store or your App Store, and one of them is Screen Recorder Unlimited, which is here with me. Yeah, this one, or rather this one. So I'll just go ahead and open it and show you how it functions. It is called Screen Recorder Unlimited. So this one is simple. You have files and it's instructing you to record, and of course the settings. So files is whereby you can access whatever videos you've recorded on this app, and record, when it asks you to record, is just for you to begin your video. When I click on record, then it's going to give me this button here that I can tap on, and then it begins to record. So it has prompted me whether to be sure whether I want to start now or I want to cancel. So Screen Recorder Unlimited will have access to all the information that is visible on your screen or played from your device while recording or casting. This includes information such as passwords, payment details, photos, messages, and audio that you play. So since I don't want to use it now because I'm already using another one, I'll just go ahead and cancel. You can also edit your settings. Like you see, we have bubble button appear on top of overlay. I hope you understand, but if you don't, kindly let me know in the comment section so that I redo this. I can do it better if you don't get it. So bubble button appear on top overlay, whether you want it off or on. You can go ahead and put it on there. Then we have recording audio default resolution. You can always change 1280 to 720 by 720, or this one according to your preference. Orientation, portrait, whether you want it portrait or landscape, quality 2.5, whatever, you can always change. Then battery optimization. All these you can access all this by just opening this app. So that's it. When you begin to record, it's going to surely do that. The Screen Recorder Unlimited not only shows you the duration of your video but also the length, so that you get to know to what length you have recorded. So here is it. As I had said before, you have settings that you can edit. You have files, whatever you have recorded, or whatever you have recorded. And lastly, you have record. This is very simple as this. So if you want a very basic screen recorder, then you can consider using this one. So I can minimize the app, and yeah, here is the icon that shows you can click on. If I click on this icon, then it gives me various features, whether I want to stop or not. So I'll cancel so that it continues. So this is it, and as I have said, this one has only basic features. It doesn't have the camera and has no pro version, just the free version. So lastly, which I'm using is Screen Recorder AZ. The one that I've just talked about, that is Screen Recorder Unlimited, is for basic screen recording. But now Screen Recorder AZ, or AZ Screen, I'm trying to locate it, is for screen recording. It has advanced features, and it has got its free version and a pro version that you can pay for. But as a beginner, I would advise you to use the free version. It is what I am using to record this now. So basically, the AZ Screen Recorder, as I've just mentioned, it has advanced features. So I've just opened it. Maybe we can open it together. Here it is. Then when it opens, it shows you the videos you have recorded on the app itself. So I have so far recorded 2 videos, and I just take you to the tools. We have, it can take screenshots, and other features that it has are these. You can edit a video on this screen recorder. You can edit an image, and You can also download a video, these features that you're seeing here, but some of these features are up on pro version, so you need to pay for them. On the settings, you have this. You can choose whether you want to edit this. So other features include a screenshot. When I turn it off, this is how it is. When I turn it on, it means that I can take a screenshot while recording this, and it gives me a camera on the screen. The camera is here, so if I want to screenshot, I just come here and click on the camera, then it takes the screenshot and it will save it on the app. Also, it gives me this camera which I've just turned on, and it's showing here. One of the things I really love about it. And if I turn it off, it disappears. If I turn it on, that's what it shows. You can always drag it to whichever position you want. And if you want to enlarge it also, you can do that, or maybe cancel it by just tapping on it that way. And a brush, if I turn off the brush, it disappears. If I turn it on, it comes here on the screen, and I can use it to draw, or rather to paint whatever I want, like this way. The magic brush has various features too. If I click on the magic brush, it gives me what it offers down here. I can delete whatever I've drawn, or I can undo, or I can capture whatever I've just drawn, or also make some editings here. And if I want to cancel it, I'll do exactly that. So it also gives you a notification on the notification bar, whereby you can choose to pause, stop, or tools. So while recording, you can always come here on the tools and open it and select whichever you want and whichever you do not want. Like if I don't want a camera, I can just swipe down and choose camera, put it off, then it disappears. Or if I want it on, still I can do that. Come here on tools, then turn it on, then it comes back. And any other, you have live stream. You can choose to go live, the platform in which you want to go live, but this one is for pro version. That's it, guys. It is as simple as that. So if you watched this far, kindly give this video a thumbs up and consider watching my other videos that are posted here concerning how you can begin and grow your YouTube channel. Bye guys, see you in my other videos.